What's up, guys? This is Sean over at Ranch Armor. Today we are going to go over how to install the Polaris 1500 fender flares. Here's everything you're going to need here. Impact. This is very important when you're looking at the fenders and you put them on. They screw in from the inside, so this gets it in there nice and perfect right here. Then we move on to all your screws, basic Phillips head, the washer. These two are important too. You'll get them in the package if you were to order them. They go around the front fender right into this groove right here, so when it sits against the panel of the door or fender, this thing will be nice and smooth. It won't rattle or anything. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get the front fender on. We're gonna go with the front fender. If you come up close, you guys can see the top of the fender here, rounds right here, and if you look at the fender itself, it kind of gives you the body line of where the fender is going to fit. So if you go ahead and put this up here and you come to this back part, the round part, this is the first screw you'll put in here. So if you come here and you line this corner up with this body line, this whole thing should be level here. Whole thing should be level. Then you're going to go ahead and tack in your first screw right here. And then once you get that first screw in, you kind of want to go one top, one bottom, and then kind of alternate like that. So from here, we're going to go ahead and install it and show you guys how it looks. Okay, so while installing the front fender, remember with these screws, you're going straight through the plastic and they hold very well. So the first screw we're going to go ahead and put in is this corner. Just make sure you're holding it straight. Slow and steady wins the race. So it grabs. Suck that thing in just like that. From there, once you get this one in, you want to go to the front.
The bottom.
Alright, so after you got this first one up, you're going to come over here to the front and you're going to make sure that this body line is completely straight. You could stand back and look at it. Just like that. I'll go ahead and put this top one in. Boom. Sucks it in. So and then from this corner, you're going to come down here to these bottom two down here. We're going to go ahead and put those in, and then from here you're basically going to come up to this one, up to this one. From this one, we're going to go back down to this one and alternate. Keep alternating. Ready? We're going to go ahead and suck that one up. Afterwards, we're going to come back up to the top. We're going to go ahead and put this top one in here. Basically repetitive, but once you get it, you'll get it. Very simple, but very tedious. Missing one. And there you have it. That's your front fender flare on a Polaris 1500. You come walk around it and everything like that. So then now with the foam that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, these two pieces here, this one will be for the rear, bigger one for the rear, smaller for the front. So now what you do is you're going to take this rubber and it's going to go in between here, just like this. So it'll look just like that in between here. So you'll have no rattle in it at all. It looks a lot cleaner, more full. And that's it. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and install the rear fender flare. Let's get to it. It's the same process. Very simple, but very tedious. Come back here. First you want to actually make sure it's lined up here. As Riley's holding it here, everything is lined up with that body mark I showed you guys on the front one. Everything's good there, so we're going to come down here and screw in our rear. We good up there? Oh, I'm going to go ahead and take another one. We're going to go move to the front. Make sure the front's all lined up there, which it is. Come back here to the front of the fender. I'm going to go ahead and screw this one in. Oh. So now that that's up, just go ahead and get your screws in your washer and go ahead and finish them up. Boom. One more. That's it. All right. So now the second piece to that fender is going to be this little piece right here. Now this one is very important. A lot of people will bring this one here and think that it goes sideways, like with the body line of this, right? But to close this gap here, it actually goes straight down, straight up and down. You can ask a buddy. Riley, does that look straight? Nope. Cool. So what we're gonna go ahead and here, we'll have Riley hold it. We're gonna go ahead and get this top one in. Okay, with that one in, now it gives us the opportunity to go back, stand back, look at it, see if it's straight. Straight up and down. So this is how your fender should look. It shouldn't be out here, it should be straight up and down. You're gonna go ahead and take your last screw on this rear side, and that's what's gonna go ahead and lock down this second piece to the fender. So now, the black piece I was talking about, we'll go ahead and come slide right up on here. And it'll look just like that. And so here, if you come to this other side, you have no rattle, nothing like that. Perfectly clean. And if you go to the top, you can see the body line I was telling you to go off of. It's nice and straight, your front and your rear. Alright guys, well that's a wrap on our flared fenders for the Polaris Ranger 1500. If you guys have any questions, anything like that, feel free to contact us and we'll go ahead and help you out the best way we can. Thank you, and you guys have a great day.